Hello everyone. I am very glad to be back to my YouTube channel for my blogging. So I am right now in Statue of Unity. You can see right now. I'm just standing on the feet of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who has united our country and our nation as one nation. His role has been immense in terms of struggle of freedom. At the same time, getting our country what is today, right, by unifying the country. And this is very special place because it's the world's biggest statue. We talk about many of the statues worldwide, but this is the world's biggest and tallest statue, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's statue. And what you can see, this is the Narmada River, the dam here. So Narmada River, which meets Khambat, right, Gulf of Cambay. Now this river, Narmada Dam, the Narmada River, which originates from Amarkantak Plateau in part of Madhya Pradesh and flow to Rift Valley. Within Rift Valley, reach the Gulf of Khambat or Gulf of Cambay in Gujarat. Now, this very popular and controversial dam, that is the Sardar Sarovar project, which is named after Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Now, this Statue of Unity is right now on the Narmada Dam project in Gujarat. Now, I have traveled from Ahmedabad to this place. There's a railway station called Ekta Nagar railway station, and there's a very good facility of bus which take you to this place. And you cannot spend the whole day. You need at least 3 days to explore the entire site. Right? There is a cruise, there is a lighting, there is a boating, and all these things are there. Now, as part of my tour and the visit, I will also be going to Omkareshwar Dam in Madhya Pradesh. That will be my another visit which I will take there. So I am very very feeling proud of being an Indian. है ना, एक भारतीय होने का गर्व महसूस हो रहा है इस स्थल पे आकर. इसको एकता स्थल बोलते हैं. हमारी अनेकता में एकता है, unity in diversity. And this is the one thing. And today, being Sunday, 63,000 visitors, like more than that, have come to this place. अब सोचो कि ये जगह कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है. यहाँ पर गैलरी है और लिफ्ट है जो कि ऊपर तक ले जाती है, जो आप पूरा व्यू देख सकते हो. You can see the entire view out here. And it's a very beautiful landscape with all the galleries and everything is right now the part of this project. And you can see here, is mentioned here, Statue of Unity. So I am very very glad, very very happy to be here, and I will again come with my blog and mention you many of the things there. Thank you everyone. Enjoy this site, right? What I have been showing you through my mobile phone. I am here with the tallest statue of the world. That is a Sardar Patel statue. That is a Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel statue. So a pride moment is a very important here museum, and whenever you get time, please come here. From Vadodara, it is almost around 2 hours journey here. People have come from Maharashtra, Gujarat, many parts of the country, and since it's the year end, so a lot of visitors have come. So thank you for all your support, and keep sharing my videos, my blogs to all your friends, and keep on following me. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.